What's the meaning of botanical? Botanical. Botanical.
Botanical. Botanical. The term botanical refers to anything related to plants. It encompasses the study, cultivation, and appreciation of plant life. Botany is a scientific discipline that focuses on plant morphology, physiology, ecology, and taxonomy. Botanical gardens are a popular destination for those interested in botany, as they offer opportunities to learn about various types of plants and their features. The use of botanicals in medicine, cosmetics, and food production is an important part of the field. Overall, the term botanical pertains to the fascinating world of plants and their role in our lives.